In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sign-in option to your Ecwid store. This is a handy feature that can enhance user experience by allowing your customers to have accounts, thus making repeated purchases easier. Let's dive right into it and get your store set up with this useful feature. First, you'll want to head over to your Ecwid control panel. This is your main hub for all store-related modifications and is an important first step whenever you're making significant changes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to look for the section specifically for website settings. It's conveniently located on the main menu, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. Once you've clicked on website settings, the next step is to focus on your store's header and menu options. You're going to make some adjustments here that will be essential for offering customer sign-in capabilities. Now, depending on how customized your store is, these settings might not be immediately apparent, but they're typically in a prominent position in the menu under the design settings. After accessing header and menu, you're going to want to click on the design section. This is where aesthetics and functionality blend. More than just making things look nice, you're here to ensure that the functionality you're about to add doesn't disrupt the existing flow of your site design. This section allows you to make lots of changes to how things are displayed, which is helpful. Now, move on to the menu and icon settings. This part deals directly with how and where icons, like the sign-in button, will appear on your website. With simply a few clicks, you can make sure that the sign-in option looks welcoming and fits seamlessly into the design scheme you've envisioned. Finally, you'll want to enable the account option. This is the switch that officially adds the sign-in capability to your site. Be sure to toggle this on. It's a straightforward action, but absolutely crucial. Flip that switch, and your site will now allow users to sign in and manage their accounts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a sign-in option to your Ecwid store. This small adjustment can lead to greater engagement and higher retention rates by making the shopping experience more personalized for your customers. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below.